Hello, this is Jenny Brunette with Cool Mountain Realty and Construction. We are on a job site today. The sun is shining, which is awesome. This is a great place in Fairview called Clearview, and we're building a house here, and they're in the process of putting on the trim around the windows, the siding, and the roof. This house is going to have an awesome standing seam metal roof that they're working on, but you can't really see it right now. But I will show you the gorgeous views from this property. That's why it's called Clear View. So anyways, nice big deck going on the back of this house. It's Saturday and the guys are working on the siding, which is awesome. As you can see, we're doing some lap siding and some batten board. And the windows are Windsor windows, great quality window. And over here is the pile of metal for the roof. It's kind of cool. What a cool color. I like the color. And here's the front of the house. Beautiful front door that they picked out. Anyways, thank you for watching us build. This is Jenny with Cool Mountain Realty and Construction. If you're looking for a builder for your next project, give us a call.